So you just bought a 3D printer, now you want an enclosure but don't have the money for it? I got you. Here's how to make a 3D printer enclosure on the chip. So, first thing, your 3D printer has moving parts like this, on the side, up and down. So you need an enclosure that's big enough. Secondly, you will need to make a little cutout, and the cutout has to be big enough for you to slide your plater in and out. And this cutout has to be covered with a plastic sheet, which is transparent, for you to see what's going on while it's printing. But for you to see what's going on, you will need light. So I would advise you to simply attach on the top of the enclosure a LED panel like this one. It's relatively cheap, and the LED panel can be secured with simply 2 zip ties. Of course, the LED panels need to be powered, so in my case, I made a D-tap to DC, but you can also use generally a USB cable. Talking of USB cable, you will need a USB extension for you to be able to plug your USB drive without putting your hands inside the enclosure. Now, let's see how it looks. And the cherry over the top is, if you manage to grab cheap magnets like this, you can just slide it in, apply adhesive on it, and now, when it will close, it will be shut tight. Et voilà!